Wishing you very much happy good morning you everyone. I'm your Satya Misra, an institute of SSC. You are going to be get to see the lecture on 29th of 28th yes 28th of June of current affairs series special session. You will get to hear fine. And one more thing, I'm so sorry for the last session, which on last session we have taken of 27th of June because of the network connection issue. That last part means from 7 minutes or I think 17 minutes as similarities have any timing. Those from those duration to last video has fully suspended. I mean suspended means video quality, later quality is unvisible have. Quality not good have. Actually this is the reason have which is making us the low latic, just because the reason. That's why we planned we will make not live streaming videos, we will make upload session videos which give you the extraordinary result in HD quality. Clear have? Okay, now we are going to start our 28th of June current affairs series. So hope you are enjoying our session next level. Any kind of doubt, any kind of problem, easily you can make us inform. We will 100% sure you will comment, accept and work on those. So best of best luck. Let's start the session. Maybe session will be go for the 30 to 40 minutes. Continue lecture I will give you. Their side you will get to find your best responsibilities and the questions quality level, weightage of the questions in the SSC next level. Start. Okay, so the question saying here, first of all the things which is important have to note down here. 28th of June beta, 28th June of beta 2024. This current affair we are going to take. So first important, most important, the questions here have those we are going to talk. So first number what saying beta, which initiative was launched, which initiative okay was have or have was launched by, which initiative was launched by, clear, which initiative was launched by CCRS, launched by CCRAS. Okay, which initiative was launched CCRAS to enhance collaboration, collaboration. Okay beta, which initiative was launched CCRAS to enhance collaboration. Okay, collaboration, research in the field of Ayurveda, research in the field of Ayurveda beta, field of Ayurveda. Clear have? Question saying which initiative was launched CCRAS to enhance collaboration to research in the field of Ayurveda. Options what saying? Number first, options right after that I will tell you CCRAS full form. Option number first, AYUSNet. Second option what saying beta, Pragati 2024 beta, Pragati 2024. Next what saying beta, Ayurgyan, and beta fourth what's Ayurgyan, and fourth what saying beta, Ayurtech beta. Clear have? Question saying beta, which initiative was launched CCRAS to enhance collaboration research in the field of Ayurveda. Clear have? First important thing, what is CCRAS? Main important thing, note down here, CCRAS. firstly understand what is CCRAS. Clear huh? After that question will be make you understand. Central Council for, okay, central है बेटा, Central Council for research in Ayurvedic science. Research in Ayurvedic, okay, VDIC, okay, Vedic science. Clear? CCRAS, Central Council Research Ayurvedic, okay, Research Ayurvedic Science. So you can say Central Council for Research in Ayurvedic Science. Clear hai? So question have, which initiative was launched? Central Council Research Ayurveda Science to enhance the collaboration research in the field of Ayurveda. Right hai? So options are AyushNet, second option Pragati 2024, third option Ayush Gyan, fourth option Ayush Tech. Right answer will be beta Pragati 2024 beta. What have Pragati 2024? Pragati 2024 initiative launched beta CCRAS, Council, Central Council for Research in Ayurveda Science. Okay, clear hai beta? Next question. For the next question I will have to erase this. Okay, clear? Very good. Next question saying Reliance. One second, wait. Reliance Foundation. Second number, Reliance Foundation. Okay, Foundation clear have? Reliance Foundation has signed a memorandum. Has signed, okay, memorandum clear have? Memorandum of understanding with which understanding with, okay, Reliance Foundation has signed memorandum of understanding with which organization to empower, which organization with which organization to empower residents, to empower to residents, clear, residents of coastal areas, beta. Options are very important questions have here. Options are Adani. Second option saying beta Incois, INCOINS. Third option beta IMO, and fourth option is beta Tata. Question what saying this, understand? Reliance Foundation has signed beta. What did have? Reliance Foundation given sign beta on a memorandum sign given have of the beta understanding with which organization to empower to the residents of the coastal areas. Means beta you can say in one word, Reliance Foundation given memorandum signed with understanding with one organization for the residents for the coastal areas. So which company have? And even you can say which organization have? Option number first Adani, option second Incois. Incois means INCOIS है बेटा, Incois can say, IMO, even Tata. So the right answer of this question will be go to become here Incois. Clear है? Incois. Next question saying FSSAI. Clear? FSSAI, okay, and APDA have, okay, and APEDA have. Here you can say APEDA have jointly. Clear have? APEDA have jointly beta. Clear? Have jointly developed a clear have developed the United India Organic United India Organic United India Organic logo beta, logo to replace beta, replace the India Organic, the India Organic and Javik okay बेटा, Organic and Javik Bharat logos, Javik Bharat logos, FSSAI beta, okay, was founded in which year? Very simple question है बेटा. Here side I will tell you one very exclusive thing beta. Just a second wait. Firstly option right, 2000 beta 8, 2000 beta 6, 2004, even 2000, right? Option number 4 will be 2004. Question you understand here saying last line, last half line will be decide answer for your question. Question saying FSSAI and APEDA have jointly developed, means FSSAI and APEDA jointly developed, means they together developed a united organic, okay, clear, United India have United India Organic logo to replace, means firstly have India United India Organic, those name replaced, those logo replaced which one? So those logo replacing by the beta India Organic and Javik Bharat logo. Clear have? Which both companies organization have? FSSAI and APEDA, those both jointly developed a united, understand, United Javik United India organization, even organic logos into the here India Organic and Javik Bharat logos. Clear have? So which organization? FSSAI and APEDA. Clear have? Main important question, this is information, here information given about the changes. Now here main question you here have. Question what asking, this understand, which one I have given in the box, those understand. FSSAI was founded in which year? Main question, this all given headline, main question in the last half line have. So here food safety only asking in which year founded have. Options are 2008, 2006, 2000, even 2004. So the right answer of FSSAI founded in the 2008. Clear है बेटा? You seen this much broad question and answer is this much level small. So get to understand only one important thing beta, you need to check out that where is your important question have. You looking here whole question giving information, but last half line asking question, reality truthfully asking question beta. Okay, so right answer is 2008. Clear have? Check out fast. Any quality problem, any issues, then easily you can ask to all. Okay, clear? We are going to move till you note down everyone. If you have any kind of the problem, you can pause the video to note down all. Okay, we will move on for the next question, which is fourth question. So can he raise the question or not? Okay, start. Just a second, wait. Clear? Who was the Sron? Who was the Sron in and Slovakia's? Question fourth है बेटा. Who was okay, Sron, SWORN. Who was Sron in as Slovakia's? In as Slovakia's. Clear है? Who was Sron in as Slovakia's? Okay, president clear have succeeding the country, succeeding right, succeeding the country, clear have succeeding the country's first female head, country's first female head, first female head बेटा. क्लियर है? फर्स्ट फीमेल हेड जुजाना नेम राइट बेटा. जुजाना है और जुजोना है. जुजाना. ओके, जुजाना कैपुटोवा हर नेम है बेटा. जुजाना कैपिटोवा. क्लियर है? And options beta, options is number first, option number first saying Miculus Dizirundo, okay, Miculus Dizirundo, and second number saying Ivan Gasparovic, second Ivan Gasparovic. Okay, clear have. And third number option was saying Peter Pellegrini. Clear have. And fourth number was saying Robert Fico. Very difficult names are unable to pronunciate. Question saying who was thrown in as, okay, who was thrown in as Slovakia's president, succeeding the country's first female head, Zuzana Capitova. Okay, name what है बेटा? Zuzana Capitova. Options are बेटा Micular Dizurindo, second option Ivan Gasoparovic, third option Peter Pellegrini, and fourth option Robert Fico. Options are in front of you. Decision day. Question saying who was thrown in as Slovakia's president. Slovakia's बेटा, Slovakia's president, succeeding the first female head have. First female head. Name what है बेटा? Zuzana Capitova. And here right answer will be बेटा what become Peter Pellegrini. Number third Peter Pellegrini. Clear है बेटा? Peter Pellegrini. Next question number fifth. What saying who has been re-elected बेटा? Who has been re-elected बेटा? Who has been re-elected? Okay बेटा, who has been re-elected as the president of South Africa? As the प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ साउथ अफ्रीका बेटा, ओके, एज द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ साउथ अफ्रीका। क्लियर है बेटा? क्वेश्चन सेइंग हु हैज बीन री इलेक्टेड एज द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ साउथ अफ्रीका बेटा। क्लियर है? ऑप्शंस व्हाट सेइंग बेटा, राजीव मेनन, MENON, राजीव मेनन। सेकंड ऑप्शन व्हाट सेइंग बेटा, सिरिल रामाफोसा। क्लियर है बेटा? सिरिल रामाफोसा। एंड अनदर वन सेइंग बेटा थैबो मैबिकी। नंबर थर्ड थैबो, THABO, थैबो, ओके, नॉट थाबो, थैबो मैबाकी। एंड फोर्थ ऑप्शन व्हाट सेइंग बेटा, नेल्सन। फोर्थ ऑप्शन नेल्सन, नॉट नाल्सन, नेल्सन। क्लियर है? क्वेश्चन सेइंग हु हैज बीन री इलेक्टेड एज द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ साउथ अफ्रीका। ऑप्शंस आर राजीव मेनन, सिरिल रामाफोसा, थैबो मिकी and Nelson. So right answer will be beta Cyril Ramaphosa re-elected as the president of South Africa. Right answer Cyril Ramaphosa. Clear hai beta? We will move for the next question. Written have all one. Any problem, any issue, any situation, anything have, you can comment easily. Okay, now moving for the sixth number, which institution won the risk manager? Which institution won the risk manager of the year award award 2024. Question saying which institution won the risk manager of the year award 2024 by central banking beta. Central, understand beta, central banking beta. Clear है? Central banking. Options are beta, option number first Federal Reserve beta, this reserve have Federal Reserve. Option number second what saying beta, Bank of England, okay. Third option what saying, Reserve Bank of India, Reserve Bank of India. And fourth number option what saying beta, People's Bank of China, People's Bank of China. Clear है बेटा? Question saying which institution won the risk manager of the year award 2024 by central banking. Means which institution won the award of 2024 of the risk manager award. Which award? Risk manager award of 2024 by the central banking. Options are here, Federal Reserve, Bank of England, Reserve Bank of India, People's Bank of China. Right answer will be beta Reserve Bank of India, RBI beta. What have? RBI. Clear है beta? Next question saying who received the today one problem have, right have, who received, not problem, okay, who received the the V Santaram who received the V Santaram lifetime achievement okay, lifetime achievement award for 2024, award for 2024. Question saying who received the V Santaram lifetime achievement award for 2024. Clear have question? Who received the V Santaram lifetime achievement award for 2024? Beta, options are in front of you. Number first option what saying? Number first Rajiv Menon, and second option saying beta Kiran Rao, and third option saying beta third option Subiana, that is called Subia, okay, Subia Nalamuthu, okay, Subia Nalamuthu. And next saying beta Gautam Ghosh, fourth number have D, Gautam Ghosh, right? Ghosh not right, okay, because Ghosh have okay, saying who received the V Santaram lifetime achievement award of 2024. Who received the award beta V Santaram lifetime achievement award? Options are beta Rajiv Menon, Kiran Rao, and Subia Nalamuthu, and Gautam Ghosh beta. So the right answer will be beta Subia Nalamuthu. Who won beta? So Subia Nalamuthu won the award V Santaram lifetime achievement award 2024. Clear have? Any problem? Question will be asked who received V Santaram lifetime achievement award 2024, then right answer will be beta Subia Nalamuthu. Clear have? Okay, now question number 8. It is very good. Okay, question number 8 what saying? This understand. Question number 8 saying which organization entered okay beta, which organization entered its name into the okay, Limca Book of Record. Okay beta, Limca Book of Record. Clear है beta? For the most pupil at the public service event, clear event, multiple venues, events at multiple venues beta, clear have options are beta number first Indian Railways beta, B number RBI Reserve Bank of India, and number option beta good writing, B number have RBI, C number have beta NABARD, NABARD beta NABARD, option number D beta SEBI beta, SEBI, okay beta SEBI. Question what saying this understand which organization name asking which organization entered its name, means organization by their own entered their name into in the Limca Book of Record, for the most people at the public service event at the multiple venues, means at the period at a time public service event of the pupils at the multiple venues. Okay, so which have beta Indian Railways, what have beta Indian Railways, right answer will be Indian Railways. So you can say Indian Railways entered its name into the Limca Book of Record for the most people at the public service event at multiple venues. Clear have? Next question number 9th. What saying International Day for countering hate speech is observed on which day? Is observed on which day? Options are 11th June, second option is 12th June, third option is 18th June, fourth option is beta 10th June. Clear have? Question was saying International Day for counting hate. Okay, International Day for countering okay, countering hate speech is observed on which day? So those days beta 18th June, remember this. Okay, countering hate speech, International Day for countering hate speech beta, clear have 18th June. Hope you understand very well, enjoy very much. Next level to our extreme session, and today is 18th June, we have completed current affairs series. We will move on for 29th June, then we will move for the 30th June, as per as we have a lot of content to offer you, and we have completed our special series at the level of SSC. Each and everything the best detailing have, you all can enjoy your best session. We are really aggressive for you all to offer our special session, and really I am feeling very much good. You all want the reason have for our happiness, for our excellence of everything, whatever we are here today, this because of you everyone. So thank you so much. You are at the platform and institution for SSC only. I am your Satyam Misra. Thank you so much. Best of luck. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.